So yeah, Rocky Point, North Carolina. First snowstorm in I don't know when. I've been down here for 2 years and it hasn't snowed. I don't know when their last snowstorm was. I think it was a long time ago. It's pretty cool. It almost hit real close. Christmas, what? Week ago? Oh, so they had a white Christmas. So I guess this is a Merry Christmas from Rocky Point, North Carolina. Cars still driving around crazy. Look at the roads. Ain't plowed, no salt on the roads. At your own risk. Alright, I'll show my face real quick. Cause I got on the fur cap. Actually feels nice out right now though. Other side of my house where I'll be chilling right there at that. In the woods right there. Yeah. Few cars still brave enough to drive around still. Yeah.